Hello, darling. This is the Army. I've just got time to write. Today we attack. There's no turning back. The boys, they're all ready for the fight. Yes, I'm well, but this place is like hell. They call it Passchendaele. In 1917, the war must be ending. The general said this attack will not fail. So I'm writing down this simple little melody. When you play it, my love, think for me. We'll be together in this song for you. And it goes, la la la, sing it, darling, la la la. They got old Bill, and the sergeant is still out there, wounded in some shell hole. They say this war will end all wars. Oh God, I really hope it will. Oh, how is old England? Are they still singing those songs that we loved to sing? When this is all over, we'll go sailing in Dover, catching fish like we used to with a string. Oh, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. If they get me, my love, you will know. We'll always be together in this song for you. And it goes, la la la, I have to go now. Take care of yourself, my love.